Hey everyone, this is Erik from Erik Burton Reviews. I hope you're having a great day. Let's get into tradeourmoney.com. This is an experience that I've had for the past couple of years. This is where I learned to trade, especially the Forex market. I got one-on-one coaching. They trained me. I was experienced on a daily basis by day trading professional coaches. And will there be help for you the entire way? Yes, there was, and yes, there is currently. Ongoing training and education in learning how to trade any market, not just the Forex market. I prefer the Forex market, but they help you in cryptocurrency if you want. They help you in the stock market and other markets that I won't get into specifically here, because for me, Forex trading is probably by far the most important. Access to their proprietary indicators. They've spent years perfecting their algorithms to ensure maximum accuracy and efficiency. I've used these proprietary indicators myself. I know for a fact that they work consistently day in and day out every time you go to your trading account. Weekly trade webinars. This company is wonderful when it comes to understanding how people need consistency. They need to be trained consistently every day or every other day, sometimes weekly for some people that don't have as much time. And my daily results in trading have been consistently improving month after month after month. Reach your financial goals by day trading with tradeourmoney.com, regardless of your background or previous experience. It doesn't matter if you are looking for a side income or trying to replace your full-time income or working towards retirement. With the Trade Our Money proprietary system, you can learn from a professional trader and leverage their experience for yourself as you start down the path towards financial freedom. Click on the link in the description below to schedule a free coaching consultation today. So if you are looking for a quick, flexible way to supplement or replace your income. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this does not mean that you need to sell something. Okay, this is not about that. This is about extracting $50 or $100 or even more than that per day out of a market that's $4+ trillion. That's the foreign currency market or the Forex market. It's not the cryptocurrency market. It's not the stock market. The foreign exchange or Forex market is huge. It's bigger than every market put together, like the futures market, the stock market, the cryptocurrency market, the commodities market. You could put all of those markets all together and they wouldn't even come close to the size and the scope and the volume of the foreign currency market. $4+ trillion. I hope you heard that right. I don't think I said 4+ billion. It's $4+ trillion per day volume market. Okay, so if you're lacking previous day trading experience, true beginners to experienced investors have benefited from this specific program. Okay, you're not sure you have time to day trade? Well, the traders that come into this program can earn income trading as little as 1 hour per day. A lot of times I only do it for about 30 minutes a day. I get 1 to 2 trades in a day. And consistently, I'm winning 1 or 2 or both of those trades every single time because I've done it enough. And TradeOurMoney.com helps me with giving some of their money to me so I can leverage that in the market. And don't know if it's right for you or the financial situation? Well, I'll tell you this much. With a lot of Forex prop companies out there, and when I say prop, I mean companies that are saying, oh, we'll give you up to $100,000 to trade our money on. It's so difficult to pass those prop accounts for a lot of these Forex companies that I won't specifically name, that they actually charge you to take the test. And when you do fail it, because a majority of people do, because their requirements are so outlandish, it's very difficult to really get started, and it really hinders those of you out there who are wanting to earn income online. So definitely you want to take a look at tradeourmoney.com. Click on the link in the description below to book a free coaching call with a professional trader at tradeourmoney.com. There's all kinds of avenues for anyone here interested in learning how to trade money online.
I'm able to generate revenue and at the same time, be able to, see my kids off at school or when they come home. Have a lot more flexibility in time.
When I first set out to do it, it wasn't, my mindset wasn't, let me quit my job. It was more like, I'm making good money at the grocery store. How can I, one, supplement it, and two, pad myself for retirement, right? But then to answer your question, about a year and a half in, I looked at it and went, oh my gosh, I could actually do both. So I could actually pad my retirement and quit my job and still have income coming in. And so that's exactly what I did. About a year and a half, 2 years roughly in, I convinced my wife that it was a good idea to quit my job.
I started off with a $2,500 account, and I was pulling off, average 25 bucks a day. As I started trading, as I started doing that consistently, that account started growing because all that profit I put back into the account, to a point where that $25 grew to $50, and then it grew on to $100, and within 6 months I had that up to a point where I was able to make an extra 300 bucks a day before I went to work. So that's the point when I shortly after that, that's the point when I decided this is what I want to do full time, and I've been doing it full time ever since.
I was able to quit the job that I was working because of the profit that I was making was sustainable for myself and my family.
I remember when I was around month 3 and I started making $100 plus a day, and I was getting really excited. And then as I was doing more and more, and I got another 3-month review and they added more money to those accounts, and all of a sudden it was building and building. And then later down the road, about my year mark, when I made my first $1,000 in a day, and I was stoked. I was so excited. I was just overwhelmed. And now I'm even further down that road and have consistently been able to hit numbers like that on a daily basis.
I don't necessarily think in like dollar amounts. I think in percent amounts. So for me, I would say on average, I'm doing probably 6 to 10% a month. And that's where I'm comfortable. That's where I'm growing steadily. And I know I'm not going to lose a lot of money if I'm trading that way.
I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. With the things I have, the freedom, the flexibility, without trading, hands down. I'd still be at a grocery store working during Christmas right now, or Thanksgiving, and all the other holidays I never got to see my family. I was working 70 to 80 hours a week at the grocery store during holiday seasons. I never saw my family.
We've all seen the pictures of the day trader with the laptop on the beach. I've had that happen where I've been on the beach in California, a beach in Florida. I've traded on a cruise ship. I mean, you can trade from anywhere in the world, and I like to travel, and it helps give me that freedom to be able to do that.
In my head, I think if I want something that's expensive, it's like, okay, how many trades do I need to make? Or do I need to spend an extra 10 minutes on my computer? And so it's totally shifted my view of finances, and that money is really a lot easier to get than I ever imagined. And you just have to know the right way to get it.
The things that I've purchased, my house, the house I built 2 years ago, never would have been able to do that at a grocery store. The cars that I've bought, never would have been able to do that at a grocery store.
We've gone on more vacations than we had in the 10 years before that because of the resources and the income that I've made from day trading.
Never once have I thought, what have I gotten myself into? It's been very positive and exciting, really.
Reach your financial goals by day trading with tradeourmoney.com, regardless of your background or previous experience. It doesn't matter if you are looking for a side income or trying to replace your full-time income or working towards retirement. With the Trade Our Money proprietary system, you can learn from a professional trader and leverage their experience for yourself as you start down the path towards financial freedom. Click on the link in the description below to schedule a free coaching consultation.